Hello, beautiful ones. Dr. Nikki here. So I'm coming on today for another episode of the new energy paradigm series. And so for this video, it carries on a little bit from the last episode. And so in the last episode, we were talking about the concept of coming back to center when we go out of alignment. And I went on to talk about how we can keep ourselves more often in alignment so we don't have to worry about coming back into alignment when we go out of alignment as often. And so it's all about energetic frequency. And so that segues really nicely into what I wanted to talk about today. And that's about energetic protection. Do we really need it? You know, in the old paradigm, there was a lot of awareness around energy. And we all know that everything has energy, and there's lower vibrational frequency energy and higher vibrational frequency energy. And so the concept of protecting oneself from lower frequency energy is something that has been popularized for eons almost in a way. But the interesting thing now is that because as a collective, we are all stepping into unity consciousness, which is the 5D, which is the new dreaming, the new earth frequency, that we're tending to now move away from the need to do that. Because actually by doing that, what we do is create separation. And unity is the opposite of separation. And so how we can more easily not protect ourselves, for lack of a better word with what I'm talking about, but how we can avoid actually being affected by lower frequency energies is by working on our own frequency. The way energy works is that it magnetizes itself. And so if things are not a vibrational match, one cannot affect the other. And so rather than trying to fall into judgment and feeling we need to separate ourselves from others, what we can actually do is work on our own frequency. And so the more we do high frequency energy practices, you know, keeping our own vibration high, you're very much less likely to be affected by lower frequency energy. And, you know, over time, you start to recreate your own coding. So your own holographic energy field then starts to magnetize that same frequency. And so when you're holding a high frequency, the world starts to change around you. And so, you know, if you are in the practice of the old practice of energetic protection, you know, I just put it out there to you to, you know, try working on your own frequency, and you'll actually find that the lower vibrational frequencies are no longer a match. And so that in fact, you know, more holding others in compassion rather than needing that separation is helping us all to move much more quickly into this unity consciousness. Anyway, beautiful ones, reach out if you'd like to chat about anything. I hope that was helpful because that's something, you know, as a collective, that where we're all wanting to head is unity consciousness. And so we need to be holding that frequency. Thanks, dear ones. Bye.